Hi, I'm Katie from ShopWildThings. This is going to be a long video explaining every different option that we have available for our metal chain beaded curtains. I'm going to explain the different top styles that we have, why you might choose one over the other, how you would use those installations, and also cut in with this long video, I'll show you photographs of how it's been used out in the marketplace. So we make a lot of these curtains custom for our clients, and then they use them in casinos and retail spaces and in their homes. So this video will have all of those photos. I will also film some shorter videos if you'd like to go look for those, if you don't want to watch this long one, and that will show you just, how to use a bendable top, how to use the straight rod, and so forth. So I'll link all of the videos together at the bottom of this description. Beaded curtains on a bendable metal top. These we add brackets to so that you could hang these from a ceiling. You would attach this to the ceiling, these two L-shaped brackets up to the ceiling, and then you would bend the metal rod into whatever shape that you have. Please take a look at the photos that I will add into this video so that you can see what a swirling, curving installation might look like. A bendable metal top would also be a great use for anywhere that you have very strict fire rating requirements. So if you don't want to have to deal with having a certificate for your fire marshal, these are completely made out of metal, every single piece of it. So that's a great option. Places like casinos, we have some photos to add in there. These would work very well. You can get these curtains in any density that you'd like to. You could place these around curved walls. We can make big columns for you, just a big hanging column. So take a look at all the photos that we'll add in with this to see how great these look installed. All of our stock metal curtains come on a straight silver rod. This is very easy to hang. On the back, there's a lip, and you would just screw some screws into the wall, and then this lip would just hang on top of the screw. It's very easy. It just takes two of the screws to hang a very heavy beaded curtain. The curtains hanging behind me are hanging just on two S hooks on a lightweight rod, so they are super easy to hang. If you would like a different color other than a silver top, and say we're making a custom installation for you, you should know that we can paint our rods to match any of the colors of chain that we offer. We have a stock shiny black rod, we have the silver, and then this one, for example, has been painted by our fabrication team. It's gold, it's really lovely. If you choose a purple chain, for example, we can paint it purple if you'd like to, or we can just leave it silver. You can let us know what you'd like. You can order the custom curtains right online, or you can order the stock curtains right on the website. Just let us know what you need. We're always happy to help. Another type of top that we have for our metal chain beaded curtains is a fabric strap. We make these with and without grommets. This grommet is 1/2 inch in diameter on the inside. So if you were going to use a curtain rod so that you could slide these curtains back and forth, the curtain rod would need to be under 1/2 inch. You could also use these with the pinch pleat style of curtain system. So the kind with the hooks where you might use draperies, heavy draperies in your home or other commercial installations, you could use these with those. So we offer this in black, we offer it in white. We can order custom colors if you need a totally different color, that would be fine. And you can choose your density. So if you want standard density, you can get this. You can have half density. You can have us make them as full as you need them. Just let us know what you need. We can make it in any length as well. We offer different types of density for your chain beaded curtains. If you'd like to save a little bit of money, you can ask us to do a half density curtain. If you'd like a standard density, that's what's behind me here. Our stock curtains that are not made custom come with one strand of Lynx chain in every hole on the straight rod. So this is the standard density in my left hand, on your right. This is the half density. So we have capabilities. We can also do different densities on any of the top types that we have. On a bendable rod, on the fabric rods, anything that you'd like, we can change the density for you to meet your requirements. Do you need a specialty size for your curtains? Say you need to cover a span of 12 feet wide and 15 feet long. We can definitely do that for you. These rods can be hung right next to each other to look seamless. So when you let us know what size custom curtain that you need, we will make sure that it comes in sort of evenly spaced sections, or we'll do it however you want. If you want one that's 2 feet and one that's 3 feet, we can do that for you. But when you hang these next to each other, if these strands were lined up correctly next to each other, you can't really see the rod. We can also make custom widths in the fabric strap if you'd like. We can make custom widths in the bendable rods. And of course, the length, the sky's the limit on the length on these chain curtains. Most of the applications that we have for our metal chain beaded curtains, whether they're the Lynx chain or the ball chain, they're stationary. So the bead strands do not slide back and forth necessarily. We do have an option for you. We can make your curtains on a mesh fabric strap and put grommets in it so that you can slide those back and forth if you'd like to. So that's one option that you can use. And in the future, we're adding more tracks, and we will post a video about those when we have them available. Our metal chain beaded curtains come in a variety of colors. We have some standard colors like, copper, silver, matte gold, and so forth. And we also have some brighter colors that we've brought in, like purple and pink and blue. We can match the header rod to whatever you need. So if you need this rod to match a blue chain, we can do that. Or you can even use our black header rod, and these sort of disappear into the ceiling, especially if you're using them on a stage or a set. If you'd like for us to make a custom curtain for you with mixed colors, say you want a pattern, you want a big red, white, and blue curtain, you want a curtain with 5 strands of silver and a strand of crystals and, something else. We can do anything that you want. We have made hundreds and hundreds of custom curtains for our clients, and they are gorgeous. I'll add some of the photos to this video.